Snacking isn't just limited to grabbing a yummy evening snack. It is that urge to eat right after your breakfast but before your lunch. That desire to eat some namkeen or something sweet with your tea or coffee in the evening. And that sudden craving you get at midnight. Who has ever been able to save themselves from the temptation of snacking? Hello and welcome to the 11th episode of Are You Eating Right? A show where we talk all about healthy foods and nutrition. In this episode, we'll be talking about healthy snacks that you can eat in between your meals. Did you know that snacking can actually be healthy? No, I don't mean your fried junk or packaged food as snacks. But if you consume healthy foods such as salads, fruits, whole grains, they can prevent you from overeating in your next meal and can actually boost your metabolism, which in turn might help in triggering weight loss and can keep your energy levels high. It is also an effective way to add extra nutrients in your diet, which are usually missed out from our daily food intake. Now that we have already understood that snacking is not your enemy, I'm going to help you choose something that will fill up your stomach and won't sabotage your weight loss journey. Snack number 1, oats idli. Make some steamed idlis with roasted oats, as the nutrient composition of oats is well balanced. They are a good source of carbohydrates and fiber, including the fiber beta-glucan. Oats are a good source of high-quality protein with a good balance of essential amino acids. Oats are loaded with important vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. To make this idli, mix oats batter with grated carrots, onions, chopped chilies, fresh coriander, and there you have your perfect snack ready. Snack number 2, corn chaat. Corn is a healthy grain and source of fiber, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. It may promote eye health as well as digestive health. For this recipe, mix corn with some freshly cut tomatoes, onions, olives, jalapenos, coriander, mix with some lemon juice, tangy sauce, and it's ready. Your kids will love this mouth-watering snack. Snack number 3, hummus with veggies. Hummus is an incredibly popular Middle Eastern dip and spread. It is typically made by blending chickpeas with tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic. Not only is hummus delicious, but it is also very versatile as it is packed with nutrients and has been linked to many impressive health and nutritional benefits. Chickpeas in hummus provides a great source of complete protein. You can use this dip and eat it with cut veggies such as carrots, celery, or whole grain chips, papad or wafers. Snack number 4, ghee roasted makhana. Makhana is an excellent source of several important nutrients and makes a great addition to a healthy, well-rounded diet. It contains a good amount of carbs in each serving and is also rich in several micronutrients including calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus. For this recipe, roast makhana in a tablespoon of ghee, add some spices if you like, and there, your delicious snack is ready. Last snack in the list, grilled paneer. Paneer is a source of good quality protein. It is rich in healthy nutrients such as calcium and vitamin D. It is also a good source of vitamin A, minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, sodium, potassium. It is also rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which helps in fighting and preventing arthritis and other bone problems. For this recipe, roast or grill some paneer with ghee or olive oil, and there you've got yourself a perfectly healthy snack. If you're lactose intolerant, you can switch paneer with tofu as it has high nutritional content too. That's it for this video. Let us know in the comment section below which is your favorite healthy snack from the list, and suggest us some other snacks that we can add in our list.